Hi everyone, it's Professor Hall. Welcome back. So last week we did a literal reading where we took an essay and we broke it down to its main ideas and key supporting details, and then you wrote a summary paragraph. This week we're going to go one step further and do what is called a deep reading. So a deep reading is where you start to do analysis, and we're going to, for our analysis, for this project, we're going to look at three things. The first is the author's purpose, that's why they're writing. The second is the author's audience, that's who they're writing to. And then the third is the author's tone, and that's kind of how they're writing, the way in which they're communicating the information. So what I'd recommend you do is read the article the first time, do the first bullet pointed notes where you're looking at those main ideas, then watch the lectures about audience, purpose, and tone, and then go back and do the second set of notes that I'm asking for in your journal, which are your comments about the author's purpose, the author's audience, and the author's tone. This is going to serve as a building block for our first essay. So you'll be able to go back. Next week, I'm going to ask you to go back and look at your notes and my comments on your notes and use those as the basis for some of those paragraphs of your essay. And then the following week, you'll be putting everything together and actually writing the essay. So hopefully by breaking it down, it makes the process a little bit less complex. And I think that if you do things step by step, it can really help with writing anxiety, as well as getting a really good understanding of the article before you go to write about it in more depth. So make sure, if you haven't already, that you look at my comments on your last assignment. I sent out a thing about how to look for comments in Blackboard, so I'm hoping that that helps. Thanks, everybody.